What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Rent This Flip That, and today we are out in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. That's right, we've been at the duplexes so long and it was time for us to take a break. Someone contacted us about 5 months ago and said, hey man, I really need to get my bathroom done, but she hasn't been able to get a contractor out there, so we decided we would take a break from the duplexes and come help this lady out. That would give us a change of pace, and maybe we'll get a little more excited when it comes to doing that last duplex out there. You guys can follow us on that one too. Alright guys, there's a lot going on in here. We've got to take out showers, we've got to take out toilets, we got to take out countertops. We're going to be taking all these fixtures down. We're even ripping the floor out and putting tile in. That's right, I said tile. I know you guys haven't seen any tile videos on our channel, but you will now. Alright guys, I don't want to waste any time. We need to get in here and get this stuff tore out, so let's go.
Here's this.
So my first order of business was to take this door down. Kelly volunteered to hold down the vanity top while I did that and occasionally put a hand on the door. Just kidding. So this is called a power flush. If you dump about a half a bucket down in the toilet, for some reason it sucks all the water down and there's very little left in the bottom. Ideally, it's better to have one person on each side carrying the toilet, but if you have to do it alone, make sure you tilt it towards the front so no water falls out. The light switch is going to stop you, so you have to finagle it.
Alright, I'm putting my hand right here, so don't smash me. No? Alright. Okay.
Next, it was time to remove the old vanity, but it wasn't going to go through as easy as everything else. There was a slight kink in the wall, so we had to get a little bit creative with this one.
You're trying to go all the way up?
Take a turn now.
Maybe.
I'm clear.
Okay.
It was time to take that drain out. However, the inside plus was broken, so I called my brother for a quick tip.
Yeah. All you want to do is get you a piece of metal. Beat it in there. Start it.
Like kind of just cut grooves like right there, and then twist it.
Yeah. All you want to do is just stick your fingers down in there. Basically, your fingers are like a lawnmower blade.
Yeah.
About the one step, but it's wider. It needs to be like a piece of metal, like a piece of flat metal. You know what I mean?
Try to spin it. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. It is the second day. We're back out at the job in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and we got almost all the demo done yesterday. Today we got to get in and rip that tub out. Now the opening for the door is only about 28 inches, about 28 and a half. But the tub is like 32 inches, so you know what that means. We got to cut it out. Alright, Kelly's got some laptop work. She's going to hit that. I'm going to go get my eyeglasses and gloves and get in and rip this thing out. And I'm going to bring you guys with me. So let's not waste any time and get in there. Let's go. Alright you guys, so we've got everything ripped out of the bathroom, and right now it's time to remove this tub. One way I think it's going to be the easiest is to go ahead and just cut the drywall up above the tub, because I know there's a little lip that goes up inside here, and then they put the drywall on top of that, and it's going to be all the way around. So I'm going to go get my stud finder, my Walabot, and check through here and find a stud, at least one of the closest ones that I can cut back to. And then I'm going to cut a straight line all the way across so I can get this tub pulled out. Hopefully I can get it out without having to remove the floor, but there is glue on the floor, and the tub is tucked behind it. So the floor may have to go first, but we'll find out. So here we go. Hopefully I can get it out without having to remove the floor, but there is glue on the floor, and the tub is tucked behind it. So the floor may have to go first, but we'll find out. So here we go.
Well guys, with the tub and the toilet and the vanity out, the only thing just about left is the plywood and the mirror. And we can't put anything new in until we take out all the old.
Here she is. One tub. Here we go. This is my guy.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna take that one. From the bottom, it is looking like about 14.5 inches. Alright, 14.5 inches. I'm gonna go check and see what we got in here and how many pieces of drywall I need. Alright you guys, so we have been here working non-stop for about a day and a half. We got the shower finally ripped out. We got the tub, what was all one piece. We finally got the tub shower combo completely removed out of here. We got all the luan and the flooring out. We're down to bare studs now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through, show you what we've done so far, show you what our next steps are, and how we plan on tackling those next steps to prep for the new tub. Alright, let's go take a look. Alright, so I wanted to show you first off right here. You see this? This is a Just right here, that's a fur strip right there. And they put that on the wall because initially there was a tub here and it goes up like this, right up underneath that, and that way the drywall will lip over it. You ever seen where some of these tubs are always bulged out here on the wall or something like that? It's because they didn't fur it out. They did the same thing over here because, like I say, it went all the way. Now, the issue is I'm going to have to continue the fur, or I have to take all that off and go back to the studs. Same thing over here. Once we put the tub in, you can see there's a fur strip on here. I'm going to have to put a stud in here. Initially, I was just going to turn it sideways and screw it to it, but I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull that thing 1/4 inch and then screw it in. Then I only have to fur this out and the rest of it. So that's what's going on. We got to get this tub in here. We got to get a mud bed poured right here, and then we'll set the tub. Once we set the tub, we'll be able to fasten it to all of these studs right here, and then we will put our fur strips on, put our drywall on, and then do the mud and get this thing prepped for the walls. Alright guys, it's Friday, that's the game plan. I'm not exactly sure how far we'll get into that, but we're definitely going to try. Alright, let's go.
Well team, I gotta be honest with you, installing this tub wasn't exactly easy. I had to do a lot of trial and errors, and unfortunately, we're out of time for today. But hey, join us back here on Rent This Flip That as I get this thing figured out. I even had to crawl underneath the house, but we got it all put together and we got the new mud pan poured for it so we could set the tub and make everything level. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.